At this very moment, we are witnessing one of nature's most miraculous events. From a tightly sealed chrysalis, a new life is slowly emerging, the Actias Luna. After weeks hidden inside its cocoon, the moment of transformation has arrived. The moth is gradually freeing itself, its body still swollen and its wings curled, ready to unfold. In the next few minutes, a rapid wonder takes place. The wings begin to fill with fluid and expand into their characteristic shape. Thanks to time-lapse, we can observe a process that would otherwise take many long minutes. And now, before our eyes, the beauty for which Actias Luna is so admired begins to reveal itself. The hindwings end in long tails, which confuse bats, their natural predators. On the wings, we can notice the typical eye spots meant to deter attackers. Now, a detail of the antennae. These feathery structures function as the finest sensors, able to detect trace amounts of pheromones released by the female, allowing males to navigate toward her even from great distances. Up close, we can see how the entire body and wings are covered with delicate hairs. These hairs are not just decoration. They provide insulation and help the moth survive chilly nights. Each individual hair is like a miniature strand of fur. Together, they create the illusion of a velvety surface and protect the fragile body, which cannot do without them. The color gradients on the body are fascinating, shifting from white through yellow to burgundy brown. These hues give the moth its unique elegance. At the edges of the wings, we see thousands of tiny scales, which together form a structure both strong and flexible. And here is a detail of the eye spot, an optical illusion resembling the gaze of a larger animal. In nature, even illusion can mean the difference between life and death. Under a microscopic view, we see how each antenna is composed of dozens of fine lamellae. Each of them can capture a single molecule of scent, a masterful tool for nighttime navigation. The wings are not smooth. They are made of thousands of scales and hairs that scatter light and give the colors their richness. From a closer perspective, the contrast between brown and green stands out, as do the prominent antennae, like a royal crown of this nocturnal visitor. Looking closely, we notice the black, glossy eyes. Despite their striking appearance, Actias Luna does not rely primarily on sight but on smell. Its world is a world of scents. The tiny legs are covered in hairs and end with hooks, allowing it to cling firmly to tree bark. Though they look fragile, their grip is surprisingly strong. From the pair of antennae, it is clear how perfectly symmetrical and sensitive they are, like two tuning combs, catching the hidden signals of the night. Looking at the head, the large compound eyes and dense hair stand out. Together with strong limbs, they create a perfect blend of strength and delicacy. Here we can observe a fascinating contrast. The feathery antennae acting as fine sensors and the robust compound eyes that capture even the slightest glimmer of light in the night. And then comes a moment of excitement. The male has caught the scent of a female in the air, and his body responds with instinctive trembling, a signal of readiness. This trembling is nature's call. It is a dance through which the male shows he is prepared to follow the trail and pursue his mate, even if it means flying a very great distance.